Hello my babies, patients and people who want to learn. Today we guys have DERMAROLLER 101 microneedling, aqua stamping and any other skincare related videos. Guys, on Instagram I ask you to ask me questions and I have here all the questions. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I always ask you to ask me questions related to skincare, anything related with beauty. Ask me and I answer you right away in the Q&A on the Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please JinAmberX, you can follow there. Will the 0.6 stamp help to get rid of sunspots? I have here this one 0.25, this one 0.6. So she's talking about my 0.6 aqua stamp, which is this baby. This is amazing for a sunspot. For example, I have a client that she has like a round spot over here on the cheek, and I told her to use not DERMAROLLER but to use stamp, only stamp over here that place, and yes, it will help with the sunspots. Actually amazing. Then how often can you use 0.2, 5 and 6 stamps? 0.5, this one you can use actually 3 times a week. Start with 2 times a week, after a couple of months increase to 3 times a week. That one twice a month, every 2 weeks. Then I'm having dry skin due to weather and meds, which will be better, DERMAROLLING or aqua stamp? Depends what meds you're taking. With some meds that you're taking, especially like thyroid meds, anti-inflammatory, some meds, it makes your skin dry. DERMAROLLER makes your skin a little bit more on the drier side, so you will be very careful. I will recommend you to use DERMAROLLER. I mean, aqua stamp and DERMAROLLER has needles, it's the same. I don't know guys, what is your preference? It's not a big difference. It's just, for example, what are you targeting? Are you targeting small spots or are you targeting big spots? If you have a big place to roll, use DERMAROLLER. If you need, like for example, improve your under eye place where you have a crow's feet over here, you use aqua stamp. Then do you use or recommend the ordinary products? No guys, so many people of you asking, especially to use after DERMAROLLING. I do not recommend to use ordinary after DERMAROLLING. If you use every day, you can do this. I tried probably 10 skincare products from ordinary. I tried a couple of years ago. I didn't like anything. Rosehip oil, it was kind of it's okay, it's not bad, but I haven't tried recently. They have glycolic acid, all this stuff, that like fancy stuff. I haven't tried nothing recently. I will, but whatever I have tried in the past, around like 10 products, maybe 12, I didn't like it. It just didn't do anything to the skin. All right, what to eat for glowing skin? Smart question. I like you whoever asked this. What to eat for glowing skin? I love this topic because I think whatever you eat, whatever you put in your mouth, in your stomach, is affecting tremendously your skin, tremendously how you look like. I, for example, had an issue with acne for a really long time, guys. I can insert a couple of pictures how it looked like before. And now, like in the last year, probably I can count that I had maybe 1 or 2 pimples totally in 1 year on my skin because I changed my diet. My diet does not include no sugars, no refined sugars, no cookies, no sweets, no nothing sweet at all. Vegetables, fruits, yeah, but there is a good sugar that you can actually consume sugar, fructose from fruits, and it's actually healthy. I'm basically mostly living from fructose, from vegetables and fruits. I'm gonna do, I know I have a lot of questions about acne and food and everything. I'm gonna do video, guys. Hold on, I'm preparing for that. I'm gonna give you that video and we're gonna talk about that in that video. Then the next question, what is your best DIY SPF? My best DIY SPF, I don't have DIY SPF. I don't think DIY SPF will hold long and will protect that certain amount. I just don't have it. I'm just sorry, I don't have it. Then could you show us your daily skincare routine? Yes, it's coming. It's probably gonna be next week. I'm gonna do morning, let's say morning skincare routine, evening skincare routine, and I'm gonna do like my luxury pampering skincare routine that I do like once a week. Then the solution for all pimples, dark spots, scars. All right, acids: alpha hydroxy acid, aka glycolic acid, salicylic acid, aka BHA. I'm gonna link down below all the acids that are good for those pimples, dark spots, scars. Vitamin C serum is very good. Retinol, but retinol, my opinion, is like retinol is not very natural, and you can use it. I use retinol myself. I use once in a while, 2-3 times a month. But the thing with retinol retinol is just like you have to be very careful. Some people overuse, that cause even worse reaction that they had before. When you use too much something, retinols and retin A exfoliates the skin, and basically when happening this cell turnover on your skin is like reacting, like you give a shock to your skin and your skin is trying to protect, and then makes your acne get worse, which is not good. You can use retinols, but you have to know that you cannot use very often, and you have to know strengths, that you have to start with the lowest strength possible. It's just like, guys, going to the gym. You don't go to the gym and you don't start lifting like 20 kilo at first day at the same time, you know. Next question: which of your products do you use the most? The most I use right now at this moment, besides vitamin C serum, I use my new vitamin C cream. This is 10% vitamin C cream with squalane. I made a formula launch last week. It's amazing serum, amazing like sort of cream, but it's very light cream. It's velvety texture. It doesn't have like smell, no perfume. I don't have, guys, any toxic ingredients, no perfumes, no nothing. So you might not gonna like the smell. Companies that try to put perfumes and alcohols and everything in skincare just to sell faster, so customer can be like, smells so good, but it does nothing. So this cream actually doesn't smell good, but it does a lot. Cruelty vegan free, antioxidant, amazing for the fine lines, amazing for the sunspots that you have, hyperpigmentation for any reason you have, from pimples like acne, scarring and stuff like this. This is my #1 product that I use the most right now at this moment from my brand. Do you recommend any turmeric or homemade mask to help get rid of darks from acne? Yes, I have tried turmeric mask. It's good, but you guys, once you stop using the turmeric mask, for example, it doesn't do anything anymore. If you do, like, for example, every day for a week, and then you don't use for a week, and then again you have those dark spots, you have to like a little bit treat more deeply. You can also take turmeric supplements, which is really amazing. I'm gonna link my favorite turmeric supplements under this video, you can check out. Can your serums, ultrasonic face scrubber and dolphin be used for professional use? Absolutely. I have a spas, I have a centers, I have esthetician small offices that they use, and they're very happy. I have pregnancy scars from 10 years ago. Is this still when you have a scars, guys, I'm gonna be completely honest right now. When you have a scar, if it's old, it's gonna be hard to get rid of. For example, I have a scar over here. I was very little, I barely remember, probably this was 28 years ago. It's not gonna get away. I'm just being super honest. I don't care if people not going to buy from me. I'm just being honest. I don't wanna put you wrong information. I don't want to pump you with the promises that I cannot keep. 10 years stretch marks, it's gonna be hard. You're not going to get rid of this, being honest, but you might gonna be able to fade away and look at like softer with less appearance. Have you experienced with retinol? Yes, my favorite retinol is Obagi #1. I'm using this retinol just 2 or 3 times a month. I'm not a retinol fan, it's not very natural, but yes, I do use Obagi. If I use prescription acne cream 2 times a week, when can I dermaroll? Okay, for example, if you're using cream Monday and Thursday, you can dermaroll, depends on the size, guys. If you're going to dermaroll with 0.25, you can dermaroll next day. If you're going to dermaroll 0.5, you wait 2 days, then after do this acne cream. Can dermaroller 0.5 help with my under eye? Absolutely, but it's much more easier to access and much closer to the eye access with the aqua stamp. I recommend for eye area only aqua stamp. Alright, what is more effective for acne scars? Using 0.5 dermaroller every week or 0.75 every 3 weeks? Using for acne scars. For acne scars, you know how you can do, guys? If you're start with 0.5 once a week, but like for example after half year you can improve to 0.75 to use every 3 weeks, but don't tell this to anybody. If you already been using 0.5 for a year, then you have strong skin, you can totally use 0.75 every 2 weeks. Do you use retinol cream and how often? PS, I have heard Drunk Elephant just came out with retinol. Yes, I do use retinol, as I told you guys, 2 or 3 times a month from Obagi. Drunk Elephant, I wanna get it. I know it's good. It's my favorite skincare brand on the market for skincare. besides mine. Just don't tell them. I hope they're not watching this video. What is the best size dermaroller for the tights? For the tights, you can start with 1 or go jump to 1.5. Just don't forget to go to my website in fact section and check out how often each size should be used, because every size should be used in different times of the month. How quick do we notice results when dermarolling, specifically with 0.25? Ooh, guys, this is a tricky question. Every person has like different reactions. Some people see results immediately, like next day. Some people use dermaroller for 3-4 weeks and they still don't see results. This is completely individual result. You can get results even after, you know, using for 2 minutes, or you cannot even see results using half year individually. And depends what issue you have, what like you're trying to treat. I realize fine lines is a little bit easier and faster to treat, like hyperpigmentation spots, acne scarring is a little bit taking longer. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm gonna leave all the answers down below under this video in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you have any questions, leave me down below under this video. I will be happy to answer all your questions. Bye guys, love you, bye.